Look at that bubbling and sizzling. Ọ na-asụkwa n'poto n'ofe. Ewa. If you have been struggling on how to make this draw ogbono, or you're having difficulties in getting your ogbono to draw well, then this video is for you. Today I'll be showing you how to make draw ogbono. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So let's just go ahead and get started. Here are the ingredients. I have some ogbono here. I have some scotch bonnet pepper. Please adjust to your taste, okay? Yeah. And then I have crayfish here and ogiri okpei. Okay, yeah. I have onions. I have salt and seasoning cube. I have some kpomo. This kpomo is already been pre-cooked. I have some goat meat. You guys, I like goat meat a lot, so I'll be using some goat meat. And then I have a mackerel fish. Okay, I'll be grilling this mackerel. Okay, if you've not watched the video on how to grill, description box, just check. Okay, it's there. I have some okpei here, ear of stockfish. I have some smoked catfish, and then I have some oil here, palm oil. Okay, so just go ahead and cut the mackerel fish. You're just going to go ahead and cut them up, and then removing the intestines and washing them. Okay, yeah, just like so. Like I said, watch the video if you've not watched it. In the description box you see the link. Okay, so when that is done, wash it, and then we'll be seasoning it with a cube of seasoning cube. Okay, just gently rub that in. Yeah, this fish will taste good with this process. Yeah, and then I'll be adding just a pinch of salt, just a pinch, like so. Yeah, I'll just be rubbing that into the fish, and then laying that in the baking tray. Okay, just add it to the baking tray and then start grilling this. Yeah, this will take about 30 minutes. So we'll go ahead to grind the peppers and the onions to season the goat meat. I didn't use all of the pepper, okay, because I'll be chopping some. Just grind them, okay, and then we'll be adding some water to help your blender. In a pot, adding the goat meat, and then the ear of stockfish, the washed stockfish, and adding the pepper blend. Then rinse the jar blender with some water, add it back to the pot, adding the seasoning cube. I'm using 3 seasoning cubes here, adding some salt, and then gently mix this. Okay, just stir it up. Okay, yeah, I'll be topping it up with a little more water because we need some stock water. Okay, cover this and start cooking. Yeah, and then with the catfish, adding some hot water, just soak it with hot water. Then we'll go ahead and grind the ogbono. Okay, with a mill grinder, just add, we'll be blending in batches. Okay, just grind the first batch, and then look at that. Yeah, we'll just be adding it to a bowl and setting it aside, going ahead to grind the second batch. Yeah, just look at that, it is all done. Okay, go ahead and grind the crayfish and the ogiri okpei. Yeah. Yeah, just go ahead and grind that as well, and then set it aside in a bowl. Okay, when that is done, go ahead and wash the catfish. It has soaked for a while. Just remove the bone, remove the stick, and then debone it. Okay, you don't want bones in your food, or you don't want bones in your soup. Okay, just go ahead and wash it thoroughly. Yeah, just look at that, all set. And then checking on the fish, it is ready. You guys, look at that, well grilled. Yeah, check the description box, okay, if you want to watch the video on the full process. Checking on the goat meat, okay, still cooking. Just give it a quick mix, and then go ahead and add in the kpomo, stir it in, and then continue cooking. Okay, so after it has cooked for a while, I'll be removing it from the stock. Okay, just separate the goat meat in a bowl. Okay, just set it aside and keep the stock. Okay, we'll be needing the stock right now. Here is the stock. Okay, just set a fresh pot on fire, adding some palm oil. Please don't bleach, just melt the oil. Add in the ogbono, okay, and then melt it in the oil. Please, there should not be a fire at this point. Okay, Yeah, just melt the ogbono, just melt it, ensuring that all the lumps are gone, and then start adding the hot stock bit by bit to the ogbono pot, and then in a quick circular motion keep on stirring it, okay, melting it down, okay, and keep on adding it batch by batch, as so the way I'm doing it, okay. Yeah. Yeah, this motion should be like faster, you guys. Just keep on adding the stock water till it exhausts. Yeah, till you exhaust all, okay. So when it is done, you can add more water, more fresh water. Yes, the way I did it just now. Just stir it and then cover it and then start cooking. This will take about 20 minutes for this ogbono to cook. You see, at this point I'm lighting the stove. Yeah, just allow it to cook till the raw smell of ogbono goes, the raw smell and taste. Just look at the bubbling of the ogbono. I just stirred it in between, okay, and cover and continue cooking. Look at that, look how bubbling. It's so bubbling, you guys. When I cook ogbono, I always have so much joy. Yeah, go ahead and add in the crayfish powder, the blended crayfish and ogiri. Stir that in, add in the smoked catfish, okay, stir that in as well, okay. Go ahead and add in the meat, yeah, the cooked meat, and then we'll be stir that in as well, and then we'll be adding in the scotch bonnet, okay. Like I told you earlier, I didn't add all to the blender, okay. Just add it in now, stir it in, and then I'll be adding some salt, yeah, adding some salt, and then stir that in as well. Then add Cameroon pepper. You guys, I like Cameroon pepper, it has a nice flavor, okay, in my ogbono. So I'll be adding it in now, stirring it up and then tasting it, okay. Yeah, it's still, I'll be adding the fish now, the smoked fish. Just add it in and stir it up. I did added more seasoning cube, 1 cube, okay. Yeah, because it needed more, okay. Yeah, cover this and allow it to cook, okay, for like 7 to 8 minutes. And then look at that, you guys, everything is just mixed up, all bubbling, all bubbling, all bubbling. It's bubbling. Look at that beauty. So get your vegetables ready, okay. Yeah, here is my vegetable. If you are using ugu and the Uziza, go ahead and add it. Like I told you, I'm using my local leaf, ewa. If you know this leaf, just let me know in the comment section, okay. I'm just using my hand to break it apart and then adding it to my soup. This feels like spinach, okay. This leaf feels like spinach, yeah, but there is a slight different taste, okay. Yeah, the taste is different, yeah, but it melts like spinach. So I'll just be adding that. The leaf from my village, if you've not watched the vlog, I'll be leaving it in the description box, okay. Just stir that in, mix it all together, cover it for 3 minutes for the vegetables to cook, and yeah, you have it. You have yourself a nice draw ogbono. If you like this recipe, if you love this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not. Serve this with semo, apple, fufu, gari, or whatever you like to eat this ogbono with, okay. Give me a thumbs up. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.